She thinks she's in control. But 5 words can flip everything. Let's talk about something men rarely hear. It's not that she stopped liking you. It's not that she found someone better. It's that somewhere along the way, she stopped chasing. Why? Because you made her the price. You gave too much. You tried too hard. And in doing so, you gave her the power. See? Most guys are taught the wrong way to connect with women. They're told, be nice, give her attention, text her back fast, show her you care, open up emotionally. But here's the truth. Most women don't fall for the man who gives everything. They fall for the man who makes her earn it. Not out of arrogance, but out of value. Because a woman doesn't chase a man who's always available. She chases a man who values himself so much, he doesn't need her approval. And guess what flips that switch in her mind? It's not flowers. It's not gifts. It's not poems or late-night calls. It's 5 words. 5 words that cut through her ego like a knife through butter. But we'll get to that. First, you need to understand why she needs you to stop chasing. Why she secretly hopes you'll stop worshipping her. Why the more you detach, the more she feels pulled in. Because she doesn't want a fan. She wants a leader. Her ego loves attention, but her heart chases mystery. Let's break it down. When you constantly chase a woman, you're feeding her ego, and don't get it twisted. Her ego loves it. The compliments, the validation, the way you light up when she walks in. But her heart, that's a different story. Her heart doesn't crave comfort. It craves tension. Her heart doesn't want certainty. It wants the unknown. Why do you think so many men get stuck in the friend zone? Because they're too easy to figure out. There's no challenge, no spark, no edge. But the man who's busy, the man who's calm, cool, and detached, the man who's living a life that's full, with or without her, that's the one who keeps her thinking. That's the one she tells her friends about. That's the one who gets under her skin. It's not about games. It's about gravity. When a man has depth, presence, purpose, he becomes the center of his own world. And that's the kind of man she wants to orbit. So ask yourself, are you chasing her? Or are you chasing your purpose? Because you can't do both. One brings peace. The other brings chaos. And women, they feel it. They know when they're your mission or just a part of it. She'll never admit it, but your silence speaks louder than her words. Here's the secret most men miss. Women test you with silence, with drama, with distance, not because they hate you, but because they want to feel your strength. When she gets cold, how do you respond? Do you chase? Do you panic? Do you try harder? That's the trap. That's when most men fail. But the man who holds steady, who doesn't flinch, who simply returns to his mission, that's the man who passes the test. Because silence is not rejection. It's a mirror. It shows her what kind of man you are. And when she feels your calm, when she feels your absence, It creates a pressure in her chest. Why? Because women are emotional creatures. They feel when energy shifts. They feel when you stop giving. And that shift creates tension. Not the toxic kind, but the magnetic kind. She starts wondering, why isn't he trying harder? Why is he okay without me? Did I lose him? And now she starts chasing, not because of manipulation, but because of nature. You gave her space. You gave her time. You gave her the gift of missing you. See, you've been trying to impress her. But what if she needs to impress you? This flips the whole game. See, you've been thinking, how can I show her I'm good enough? But the real question is she good enough for my life? That's what real men ask. Because real men have standards, boundaries, direction. When you make her the center of your world, you lose frame. And when you lose frame, you lose her respect. Women don't want to lead you. They want to follow a man who knows where he's going. And here's what happens when you become that man. She stops playing games. She stops testing you. She starts leaning in. She starts proving herself. Why? Because high-value men don't chase. They choose. And when you choose her, from a place of abundance, not need, it changes everything. She feels the shift. She feels the energy. She feels your self-worth. And that's the moment her ego takes a hit. Because she's used to being the one chased. But now, she's the one doing the work. She's not in control anymore. You are. Or want to destroy her ego? Say these 5 words and mean them. We've built up to this moment. You've detached. You've created space. You've returned to your purpose. And now, she reaches out. She tests the waters. She wants to see if you're still wrapped around her finger. And here's what you say. I'm good either way. 5 simple words. But they carry the weight of 1,000 unsent messages. I'm good either way tells her. You don't need her. You're not angry. You're not desperate. You're just centered. It cuts through her ego like lightning. Because it tells her the game is over. You're not playing anymore. You've reclaimed your power. You've taken back your time. And you're not trying to prove anything. That's when she feels it, deep down, that fear of loss, that hunger to be wanted again, that urge to chase what she once had for free. But now, she has to earn it. And if she doesn't, you're still good. Either way, that's what makes you rare. That's what makes you attractive. That's what makes her ego crumble and her heart reopen. She expects you to react, but your calm silence is the loudest message. In moments of tension, she might push your buttons, seeking a reaction. But instead of reacting impulsively, you choose calmness. Stoicchoice.com +4 new trader U +4 new trader U +4. This isn't about suppressing emotions. It's about mastering them. By maintaining composure, you demonstrate strength and self-control. The Stoic mindset. Your silence speaks volumes, conveying that you're not easily swayed by external chaos. This stoic demeanor intrigues her, making her question her own actions. She begins to see you as a pillar of stability, someone who doesn't waver under pressure. This realization shifts the dynamic, prompting her to reevaluate her approach. In your calmness, you reclaim your power, and she starts to chase the serenity you embody. She's used to being the center. Now, she's orbiting your world. When you focus on your own growth and passions, you become the center of your universe. This shift in focus naturally draws others towards you. She notices your dedication to your goals, your unwavering commitment to self-improvement. This self-sufficiency is magnetic, making her want to be a part of your journey, keen on you. By not placing her on a pedestal, you invite her to step into your world, not as its center, but as a valued companion. This balanced dynamic fosters mutual respect and genuine connection. In this new orbit, she finds herself drawn to your gravity, chasing the man who stands firm in his purpose. She's chasing a mystery. That mystery is your fulfilled life. A life rich with purpose and fulfillment is inherently attractive. When you immerse yourself in meaningful pursuits, you become a man of depth and intrigue. She becomes curious about your passions, your drive, your unwavering focus. This curiosity transforms into admiration, and admiration into desire. By living authentically and passionately, you create a life that others want to be a part of. She starts to chase not just you, but the vibrant life you lead. In your fulfillment, you become the mystery she longs to unravel, the journey she wishes to join. She's drawn to your strength. That strength is your emotional mastery. Emotional mastery is a hallmark of Stoic wisdom. By understanding and managing your emotions, you project confidence and resilience. She observes your ability to navigate challenges with grace, to remain composed in adversity. This emotional stability is both comforting and compelling. Your strength doesn't lie in dominance, but in the quiet assurance of self-control. This inner fortitude makes her feel secure, respected, and deeply attracted. In your emotional mastery, she finds a partner who elevates her, prompting her to chase the strength she sees in you. She's used to being chased. Now she's chasing your peace. Peace is a powerful attractor. When you cultivate inner tranquility, you become a sanctuary in a chaotic world. She senses your serenity, your contentment, your detachment from unnecessary drama. This peaceful presence is refreshing, drawing her towards you. By embodying peace, you offer a relationship free from turmoil, built on mutual respect and understanding. She begins to chase not just the man, but the harmonious life you represent. In your peace, she finds the stability she craves, the partner she desires, and the love she seeks.